Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got from the Sephora sale, so let's get started. So the sale started on October 28th. I made my purchase at midnight. I picked up some of the items in store and then the others just came through the mail, which I was surprised came within a day. I'm not complaining, I'm super happy about that. Now I'm still waiting for one more item. I will let you know which one. I will also link everything for you down below if you're interested, as well as my recommendation video if ever you missed it, you want to check it out. So the first item on the list is an item I've had on my wish list for the longest time. I mean, like since it came out a couple years ago. Never got it, don't know why. So for this sale I was like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna get it. So this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now this is the first item I tried from Tatcha, so let's see what it looks like. Pull it out. Ooh. Okay, there you go. So I'm super excited to try this one. So whenever I'm doing my makeup, I typically use my setting spray just to hydrate my face in between steps. But I figured this would keep everything hydrated and then I can just go on top with the other products. And then until I'm done my makeup, then I can use the setting spray. So we'll see if this makes a difference. So during the Sephora sale, I usually try to get a set just because they're less expensive and you get one product full size and then the other one's a little bit smaller, but still you get more bang for your buck. So I ended up getting the Milk Hydro Grip MVPs. So you get a cool makeup bag with the Milk logo on it, which I think is super cute. So you have a full size Milk Hydro Grip, which is great. Mine is almost done, so I wanted to get a new one. And then you get a 50 ml for the setting spray, which mine is almost done, so this should last me a while as well. So I'm pretty happy. And then the makeup bag is so cute. You can fit so much stuff in there. I like it. So I ended up getting the Intensive Moisture Balance from Dermalogica. So this is your moisturizer. Currently, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer. I've had it for years, love it. I tried other moisturizers, but nothing compares to the one from First Aid. So we'll see if this one makes a difference. This is what you get. And to be honest, it is so tiny. I don't know what I was expecting. Clearly, it's only 50 ml, but whew, this is the same price as the largest size from First Aid Beauty. This is the smallest size from Dermalogica, so I'll give it a try and see if it's better. If it's not, I'm going back to the First Aid. Whenever I'm setting my face with a powder, I typically use a sponge for that, but I wanted to try something different and I got this little puff from Beauty Blender. Now this is the Power Pocket Puff. This is a dual-sided powder puff. Just open it just to show you. It also comes with the instructions at the back. And I'm excited to try this because apparently these are pretty good too. Oh, it's smaller than I expected. So this is what you get. And then just set what you need. I love the Beauty Blender sponges, so I'm hoping this is going to be great as well. I ended up purchasing another one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is the setting powder. I have it in the shade medium 2, and I'll show you why I had to get a new one. I'm still waiting for it to come in the mail. This is what I have left. I wanted to get another one during the sale. This is my favorite setting powder. I used it today just to set my under eyes, also my T-zone around here, my mouth, and it just looks beautiful. Love this one. I had to get another one. So the next one is something I've had on my wish list for a moment. Since it came out, I have major FOMO every time I see someone use it and it breaks my heart. So I had to get it during the sale. I'm tired of having FOMO, so I got it. This is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. This is the first one and I'm excited. I am so excited. I have the number 2 and I love it. I use it all the time. So I knew I would love this one as well. So let's just open it. I plan on reviewing these products and sharing with you my thoughts, so keep an eye out for that. Look at this one. Oh, so happy. Come on. So the shimmer's at the top. You have 5 mattes, and you also have the 2 creams here. I am looking forward to using the creams because they look beautiful. Time for the concealers. So the first one is from Sephora, and this is the Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer, and I have this one in the shade 21.5 Yellow. I think I got a shade that was extremely too light. I was looking for something just to brighten my under eye. I got 30% off for this one. With everything else, I got 20% off. I'll see if this shade works for me. If it doesn't, I'll probably just exchange it for another one. The next one I have is also a concealer, and I already have this one in another shade. I love this product and I knew I wanted to get another one, but closer to my skin tone. So this one is from Pat McGrath, and this is the Sublime Perfection Concealer, and I have this one in the shade MD26. The other one I have, which I also use today, is MD23. You don't get a lot compared to the other concealers, but I still think it's nice. I love it. So this is what you get. I'm going to use this one to replace my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. Now for the lips, I got a couple. The first one is from Makeup by Mario. This is the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. For some reason, I was expecting this to be a lot bigger. I don't know why it's so tiny, but we'll see. I have this one in the shade Bronze Glow. It looked beautiful on the models, so I'm hoping this is going to be nice on my lips. I won't swatch it just because I'm not ready to use it now, but this is what it looks like. It's tiny. You have the Mario logo here. Oh, yeah, and then you have the shade. Oh, well, I don't want to push it too far, but this is what the shade looks like. It doesn't smell strong. It smells sweet. The second one I have is from Hourglass. This is the Phantom Volumizing Glossy Balm. I have it in the shade Trace. Oh, let's see. I'm assuming this is the top. Okay. Again, I won't swatch this one. I'll show you what it looks like another time. So this is what Trace looks like. Okay, this one doesn't smell like anything. Okay, doesn't smell like anything. So this is supposed to be glossy, hydrating with some pigment in it. So we'll see what it looks like on my lips. The last one I have is a product that I've been wanting to try from Pat McGrath for a while. And I'm super happy about this one. This is her Lust Gloss. And this one I have it in the shade Bronze Temptation. Oh my god, just the pictures alone online. Oh, I wanted to buy all of them. I think I have a couple. I still have a couple on my wish list, but we'll see if this one is actually as pigmented. Look at the color. Like, oh, it looks beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. It smells sweet. Online it looked bronze, but it looked a little bit brown as well. Fenty came out with a blush duo, and I knew when I saw it I had to get it because one, I don't have these shades in my collection, and two, I love her other cream blushes. This is what it looks like. This is the box, and I have in the shade Peony Droppa and Malibu's. Look at this one. Oh, beautiful. I wonder if it's close to the Patrick Ta blush that I have. But this one is really nice. Look at that one too. Anyway, can't wait to try them. So I got the Lush Blush Duo from Fashion Fair. When it comes to blushes, I'm obsessed with anything orange, anything terracotta, and this from Fashion Fair, when I saw it, I knew I had to get it. I randomly saw it on the website, and I've been obsessed since I saw it. And I have it in the shade Chocolate Chip. Ooh, okay. So you have the cream blush at the top, and then you have the powder blush. So far, I've been loving all of the products that I've tried from Fashion Fair, and hoping this is going to be good as well. Now this one from Gucci came out recently, and I knew I was gonna get it. I actually wanted a couple shades until I saw the price, and then I was like, wait a minute, I'll wait until the sale because I don't want to pay full price for this. So this is the Gucci Blush de Beauté, and I have it in the shade number 6. This is Warm Berry. Now I thought this was just a blush, but it turns out you can also use it on your eyes. It says Cheeks and Eyes Powder Luminous Matte. Beautiful with the stars. This is my first time trying a blush from Gucci. The last item on the list was actually part of my recommendation list. Well, not exactly this shade, but I ended up getting another one from Freck Beauty. This is their cheek slime. You can use it on your cheeks and also on your lips. And I have this in the shade Orange Wine. So this is what you get. Oh, it's so cute. It is adorable. So I'm super excited about this one. I will try all of these products, let you know what I think. I will review them and then keep you posted. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.